just when you thought it couldn't get any better. The all-new 2022 Subaru BRZ brings sports car driving to your daily commute. With outstanding response, incredible acceleration, performance, and precision, the 2022 BRZ is designed for true drivers like you. Elevate your driving experience with genuine Subaru accessories and speak to your personal passion. Genuine Subaru accessories are engineered to the same rigorous standards as the rest of your vehicle and backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty. Take to the road with us for a closer look at some of the accessories now available for the redesigned Subaru BRZ. Preserve the appearance of your BRZ with custom-fit, color-matched stainless steel door edge guards. They're designed to help protect the door edges from dings and chips, while seamlessly blending into the door design. Protect your paint finish from chips and the undercarriage from rust and corrosion. Genuine Subaru mud flaps minimize water, dirt, and mud spray and help prevent minor road debris from kicking up behind your BRZ. This accessory is designed to serve as a protective barrier between the tires and wheel well. Door scuff protectors help keep your BRZ looking new by protecting your doors from shoe scuffs and other scrapes when entering and exiting your vehicle. Available in a set of 2, the unique texture of this accessory complements the design of the BRZ. Custom-fitted, high-wall design all-weather floor liners help protect the vehicle carpet from accidental spills, snow, sand, mud, dirt, and other moisture. Engineered to ensure a precise fit, genuine Subaru floor liners also withstand a series of functional and durability evaluations to help ensure they will not warp, fade, or tear. Preserve and protect the trunk area from sand, water, stains, dirt, and other messes, all while providing a surface that helps reduce the shifting of your cargo while driving. This popular accessory can be easily removed from the vehicle and rinsed clean. The genuine Subaru cargo net neatly contains your cargo and prevents it from sliding with every twist and turn while you're on the road. Protect your eyes from headlight glare and enjoy the programming of home functions with this popular accessory. The auto-dimming mirror with compass and HomeLink integrates 3 backlit HomeLink buttons that can be programmed to operate security gates, home lighting, and most garage doors. This upgraded accessory also features an 8-point digital compass to always keep you going in the right direction. Your Subaru BRZ is built from the track up for classic thrills with modern performance. Bring out the best in its iconic sports car heritage with genuine STI accessories. The STI Flexible V-Bar provides improved steering response and handling when cornering, without sacrificing overall ride quality. STI underspoilers give the BRZ a mean, ground-hugging look along the front, the side along the left and right rocker panels, and the rear side of the vehicle. Upgrade the stock push-start button with the STI starter switch. Cherry red finish and STI logo give the interior a sporty appearance. Enhance the styling of your BRZ with the exterior graphics kit. Durable PVC film construction with a gunmetal gray finish. You're sure to turn heads while you're turning corners. The gloss black fender vent accent intensifies the aggressive design of your BRZ and adds a level of attitude to the styling of the vehicle. The lower rear body panel rear bumper diffuser not only helps direct airflow, but also adds a sculpted finished appearance. And the sleek, low-profile design of the trunk spoiler adds just the right amount of attitude to your BRZ. Thank you for taking the time to see just some of the genuine Subaru accessories available for the all-new Subaru BRZ. From accessories to help keep your Subaru looking like new, to performance-inspired products to enhance its sports car heritage. Elevate the excitement as you rediscover the road with genuine Subaru accessories. Every genuine Subaru accessory is backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, even if the accessory is installed after retail delivery. Genuine Subaru accessories installed after the 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty period are backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty. See your warranty and maintenance booklet for more details.